Under the city lights, the M6 Avalanche takes on the toughest jobs, nighttime milling work where precision meets power. Designed for operators who demand reliability, this advanced street sweeper combines intelligent control, high capacity, and effortless operation. With one button standby and sweep, the machine transitions smoothly from idle to full operation, saving time and energy on every shift. Its 5 cubic yard LED-lit hopper ensures safe visibility during night work, while operators maintain complete control through the LCD display inside the cab end. When it's time to unload, the M6 Avalanche delivers a swift 11.5-foot dump height with a 45-second dump cycle, keeping the operation continuous and efficient, even under demanding conditions. The in-cab adjustable broom speed and tilt allows instant optimization for different surfaces and debris types, improving cleaning efficiency and prolonging broom life. The GEO and down pressure controls further enhance performance, adapting sweeping force automatically to the terrain. Built for contractors, municipalities, and road maintenance crews, the M6 Avalanche isn't just a sweeper. It's a nighttime powerhouse, engineered to perform when visibility is low and precision matters most. The A8 Twister Regenerative Air Sweeper represents the perfect balance between power, flexibility, and productivity. Designed for departments of transportation, contractors, and municipalities, it's built to minimize trips to the landfill and keep operations running at peak efficiency. Behind milling machines or on city streets, the A8 Twister works non-stop, collecting debris, dust, and material that would otherwise be left behind. It shares the same trusted foundation as the A7 Tornado, but with enhanced versatility, featuring a 6 cubic yard hopper and a 12-foot high dump, allowing operators to discharge on the ground, into roll-offs, or directly into dump trucks with ease. Every detail is engineered for performance. The 44-inch gutter brooms offer precise in-cab tilt control, while the 90 by 36-inch sweeping head ensures a clean path across every surface. Bright Class 1 LED strobes provide 240-degree safety visibility for night or roadside work, and an abrasion-resistant steel fan balanced to 1.5 grams guarantees long-lasting durability. Powering it all is an EPA Tier 4 final engine delivering strength with reduced emissions. Additional options enhance productivity even further. From a 600-gallon water tank for extended sweeping, to in-cab broom down pressure control, and an 8-foot boom-supported suction hose that tackles hard-to-reach areas. Its recessed broom motor design prevents string and twine entanglement, extending lifespan and reducing maintenance time. The A8 Twister isn't just a sweeper, it's a workhorse built to deliver year after year. Dependable, adaptable, and powerful, it embodies the precision and endurance that keep our roads cleaner and our cities running stronger. Every day, the C.J. Miller paving crew keeps their sweepers running almost around the clock, from state highway paving at night to dirt cleanup jobs in the morning. The same truck works continuously, proving its reliability day after day. On the highway, the driver feels complete control and safety. The brooms, the water system, and the overall stability of the vehicle create a solid, confident driving experience. Even at high speeds, there's minimal vibration. Just smooth, steady performance. Operators particularly appreciate the Geo Broom Control System. On narrow roads or tight milling passes, it allows the brooms to tuck in precisely, and in open areas like cul-de-sacs, they can fully extend to sweep a wider path. Adjusting broom extension on the fly means better pickup and cleaner results overall. Each operator fine-tunes their setup, running pressures around 25 psi on one broom and 22 psi on the other. The goal isn't brute force, it's finesse, a light dusting motion that lifts millings and debris efficiently from beneath the truck. Meet the 2007 Condor AMREP 40-yard front-load garbage truck, a workhorse designed for heavy commercial route duties. With a large 40-yard body built by AMREP, this truck is configured to handle large industrial dumpsters or commercial containers with speed and efficiency. The body is constructed from AMREP's signature Hardox AR 450 wear plate steel, an abrasion-resistant, high-tensile material engineered for the toughest refuse environments. This advanced steel construction gives the truck exceptional durability and a longer service life, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. For a fleet looking to upgrade its front-load truck capability, this 2007 Condor AMREP 40-yard unit is a dependable investment. Big capacity, heavy-duty construction, fast operations and ergonomics built for the operator. Everything needed to get the job done, day after day. The lifting mechanism is designed for rapid and reliable cycles. The front-load arms hoist bins, dump their contents into the hopper, then return in quick succession. AMREP lists lifting capacities up to 8,000 pounds and cycle times as fast as 14 to 18 seconds in some models. With its 40-yard body, this truck can stay out en route longer between unloads, ideal for municipal contracts or commercial hauling where downtime is costly. The large capacity also means fewer trips to the disposal site per shift, improving productivity and fuel economy. From the construction site to the street upgrade jobs, the 2000 Volvo WX64, equipped with the PB Loader L25 OCT front loader and a heavy-duty dump body, delivers versatility in one machine. This isn't just a standard dump truck, it's a full-featured loader hauler built to tackle loading, hauling, and dumping with unmatched efficiency. Starting with the chassis, the WX64 platform from Volvo brings reliability and durability. Paired with the PB loader system, you get a load-over-cab mechanism. The L25 OCT model offers a 1.5 cubic yard clamshell shovel designed for self-loading directly off the ground or into trucks, powered by the truck's PTO. The shovel capacity and heavy-duty arms give operators the flexibility to load materials, gravel, asphalt millings, dirt, without separate equipment. This makes the machine ideal for road contractors, utility crews, and heavy civil jobs where time, manpower, and equipment count. Once loaded, the truck transitions into haul mode. Its dump body allows large payloads to be carried from site to disposal or processing location. With the loader integrated, the truck reduces cycle times, lowers fuel use, and simplifies logistics. Operator comfort and control are built in. All loader controls are accessible from inside the cab. Safety interlocks prevent unintended operation when doors open or body is raised. Maintenance is straightforward. Fewer attachments to manage, one machine to service. From narrow urban milling jobs to large site cleanup, this unit adapts. On a milling pass behind a cold planer, the loader swiftly scoops the debris, loads the hopper, then the truck hauls it off. On a dirt job the next day, the machine simply shifts mode and gets back to work. For fleets seeking cost-effective solutions, this integrated design delivers fewer machines, less coordination, reduced operator transitions. The 2000 Volvo WX64 with PB Loader L25 OCT packaging stands out as a robust investment for long-haul performance in mixed operations. In summary, if you need a machine that can load itself, haul big, dump efficiently, and transition quickly between job types, this truck checks the box. The front loader and dump body combination offers productivity, flexibility, and reliability for demanding tasks.